steel cut through the blue. Clouds like cotton calling you. Every mile a dream unfolds. The sky's a story yet untold. Sparkle like scattered gold. Mountains whisper secret soul. From Istanbul to lands afar, we take you there, no matter where you are. Feet on the ground, heart in the air. Every journey starts somewhere. Fly high, fly free, where the earth meets eternity. Touch the stars, taste the breeze. Turkish Airlines, feel these. Horizons wide, no borders confined. Every destination yours and mine. A passport to dreams, a ticket to grace. To begins the moment we
चलो 3, 2, 1. Night falls heavy like a whispered sin. Shadows stretch where the lights worn thin. I hear your voice, it's a quiet hymn. The world is loud, it's tearing seams, but you're the calm inside my dream. You're always there.
Yes, अब आया, अब आ गया, अब आ गया recording. I was waiting for you, sweetheart. This time I have you. Oh my. कहाँ चला गया ये? हाँ. Ah.